Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Since we have completed even the module 2, we'll quickly start or complete the review quiz, which is very essential and helpful for you people to understand the subject and the topics even more better. Okay, so I'll just share the screen. I want everybody's active participation in the review quiz of chapter 7, which is part of module 2. So I'll just share my screen. Is my screen visible, students?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So I'll just read out the statements. The first one, yeah. Using the internet and other networks for e-commerce, enterprise collaboration, and web-enabled business process. Using the internet and other networks for e-commerce, enterprise collaboration, and web-enabled business process. So, which according to you is, I'll do one thing since the page is split up. What to do? Okay, fine. You just see what could be the most appropriate answer. Or else I'll do one thing. I'll just share the screenshot in the WhatsApp group so that you can. Yeah, I've shared the screenshots of the answers, so you can just have a look and tell me. So we will retain only in the question. Okay. Yeah, first one, using the internet and other networks for e-commerce, enterprise collaboration, and web-enabled business process. What is the answer, students? Any one of you can
Cross
unmute and start. Sorry?
cross-functional enterprise system.
Cross-functional. Any other answer? E-commerce is involved. Enterprise collaboration is involved. Web-enabled business processes involved. Isn't it e-business? Where is e-business? Eighth one, correct? So the keyword which is more relevant to that particular statement is e-business. Okay, students. So next, information systems that cross the boundaries of the functional areas of a business in order to integrate and automate the business process. I think for this, the answer is what your friend just now said. It is cross-functional enterprise system, the seventh one. Okay. So I'll just repeat the statement again. Information systems that cross the boundaries of the functional areas of a business in order to integrate and automate the business process. Okay. Third one. Information systems that support marketing, production, accounting, finance, and human resource management. Information systems that support marketing, production, accounting, finance, and human resource management. What could be the answer?
Functional business system.
Yeah, correct. So 13th one, right? So functional business system. So with respect to cross-functional system, these are again the major functional business system which helps to enhance the overall business process, e-business process in fact. The fourth one, e-business applications fit into a framework of interrelated cross-functional enterprise applications. E-business applications fit into a framework of interrelated cross-functional enterprise applications. So what could be the answer? Somebody said. Somebody said the answer.
Enterprise application architecture.
Yes, correct. Who was that?
Nitanga.
Okay, good. So the answer is enterprise application architecture. Okay, so 1 minute. Yeah. So e-business application fit into a framework. Framework in the sense it's an architecture, right? Of interrelated cross-functional enterprise application. So it is enterprise application architecture. Fine. Next, we will move on. Fifth one, software that interconnects enterprise application systems. Software that interconnects enterprise application systems. You take your own time and just give me the answer. Anybody? It's a software, correct? Software that interconnects enterprise application system. So one which tries to interconnect a software. So what could be the most appropriate keyword?
Enterprise application architecture, ma'am.
Architecture is finished just now. It is,
Integration.
yes, enterprise application integration. So it's a software which binds, or it connects, right? So software that interconnects enterprise application systems. Okay, so it is enterprise application integration. So this one, the 10th one, is the keyword answer. Next, sixth one, information system for customer relationship management, sales management and promotion management. CRM, sales management and promotion management. So it's information system for all these three, that is CRM, sales management and promotion management. So what could be the answer? It is there in this section. That is the reason I have highlighted here.
Marketing information system.
Sales and production management. Okay, sorry students, I was just disconnected for a while. Am I audible? Can you hear me, students? Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. So what is the answer? Customer relationship management. So isn't it marketing information system? Correct?
Yes,
So
ma'am.
yes, marketing information system deals with customer relationship management, sales management and promotion management. Okay, so it is marketing information system. Next, seventh one, collaborating interactively with customers in creating, purchasing, servicing and improving products and services. This is important. Collaborating interactively with customers in creating, purchasing, servicing, and improving products and services? What could be the answer?
Interactive marketing.
Yes, correct. The answer is interactive marketing. Okay, you collaboratively interact with the customers to enhance their capabilities to create, sell, or purchase and improvise their overall service. Okay, so interactive marketing is collaborating interactively with the customers in creating, purchasing, servicing, and improving products and services. Okay, next one. Using mobile computing networks to support salespeople in the field. Using mobile computing networks to support salespeople in the field. What is the answer?
Salesforce automation.
Salesforce automation. Okay, any other answer? Yeah, it's correct actually. So, using mobile computing networks to support salespeople in the field. So, everything is done in real time. So, it is Salesforce automation, correct. Ninth one, information system that support manufacturing operation and management. Manufacturing operations and management. What could be the answer? Manufacturing operation and management. So it is very clear, it is manufacturing information system. Yes. So manufacturing information system is an information system which deals with manufacturing, operation and maintenance. Next. 10th one, a conceptual framework for simplifying and integrating all aspects of manufacturing automation. A conceptual framework for simplifying and integrating all aspects of manufacturing automation. So what could be the answer?
Computer integrated manufacturing.
Yes. So it is CIM, that is computer integrated manufacturing. Okay. So it's a conceptual framework for simplifying and integrating all aspects of manufacturing automation. Next, using computers in a variety of ways to help manufacture products. 11th one, using computers in a variety of ways to help manufacture products.
Computer aided manufacturing.
Yes, computer aided manufacturing, correct. So it is using computers in a variety of ways to help manufacture products, computer aided manufacturing. 12th one, use electronic communications, conferencing and collaborative work tools to support and enhance collaboration among teams and work groups. Use electronic communications, conferencing and collaborative work tools to support and enhance collaboration among teams and work groups. What could be the answer?
Enterprises collaboration system.
Yes, so it is enterprise collaboration system. So it is all about the various tools which are used to collaborate, right? So it is through e-media. So using electronic communication, it could be conferencing and other collaborative work tools to support and enhance collaboration among teams and work groups. So enterprise collaboration system or tools. Next, using computers to operate a petroleum refinery. Using computers to operate a petroleum refinery. What it could be? Thirteenth one, using computers to operate a petroleum refinery. So it is a complete process control. Okay, it's an example of process control. So it's a complete process or a mechanism systematically done, okay, to operate a petroleum refinery. So to operate any petroleum refinery or any refinery for that matter, a process is involved, right? So it is process control is the answer. Next, using computers to help operate machine tools. Using computers to help operate machine tools.
Machine control.
Yes, it is machine control. So since it is with respect to e-business, so everything is done with the help of either software or computers. Okay. So next one, 15th one, information systems to support staffing, training and development and compensation administration. This should be very easy, in fact. Information system to support staffing, training and development and compensation administration. So what is the answer? Yes, somebody said something.
Human resource information system.
Yes, so it is, these are all the key functionalities of human resource information system. Okay, correct. Next, 16th one, using the internet for recruitment and job hunting is an example. So using the internet for recruitment and job hunting is an example they have given. So what could be the answer?
Online HRM systems.
Yes, correct. So it is online HRM systems. Okay, everything is done using internet, right? So it means online. Yes, good. 17th one, accomplishes legal and historical record keeping and gathers information for the planning and control of business operations. Accomplishes legal and historical record keeping and gathers information for the planning and control of business operations. What could be the answer?
Accounting information system.
Correct. Yes. Good. Many of you are answering. Good. Next, 18th one. An example is using the internet and extranets to do accounts receivable and accounts payable activities. An example is using the internet and extranets to do accounts receivable and accounts payable activities. What could be the answer? So the previous
Online.
Yes, the previous one was the conventional accounting management system and now it is online accounting system. The 22nd one. Okay, good. 19th, handles sales order from customers. Handles sales order from customers.
Order processing.
Good. Yes. So it is order processing. Correct. Next, 20th, keeps track of items in stock. Keeps track of items in stock. So items in stock in the sense it is inventory control. Yes, correct. Inventory control. Next, keeps track of amounts owed by customers. Keeps track of amounts owed by customers.
Account receivable.
Yes, accounts receivable. Correct. Next, produces no, next is keeps track of purchases from suppliers. So this is the other one, that is accounts receivable. Correct. 3 and 2. No, I think the answer should be interchanged. The previous question it is accounts receivable and the current one whatever I asked it is accounts payable. Okay. See, keeps track of amounts owned by customers is amount receivable, right? So keep track of purchases from suppliers is amount payable. Okay. So 21 is 3. From the customers, it is accounts receivable. From the suppliers, it is accounts payable. Fine. Next. Produces employee paychecks. Produces employee paychecks.
Payroll.
Yes, correct. Okay, it's here. Payroll. Okay, payroll is the keyword which produces employee paychecks. Next, produces the financial statements of a firm. Produces the financial statements of a firm. What could be the answer? Financial statements. Generally, it is maintained in a ledger, right? So it's a general ledger. Yes, general ledger is the answer. Next, information system for cash management, investment management, capital budgeting, and financial forecasting. Information system for cash management, investment management, capital budgeting, and financial forecasting. In fact, there is one diagram.
Financial management.
Yes, correct. So it is financial management system here. So you have to recall those keywords and the diagram as well. Yes, next. Performance monitoring and control system for factory floor operations. Performance monitoring and control system for factory floor operations. So it is,
Manufacture execution system.
yes, the manufacturing execution system. Okay, good. See, the answers for these quiz is already available in the textbook. Okay, so it will not take much time for you to look at the answers and reveal it. But if you think yourself and if you can recall whatever I have explained in the class, then if you are able to still give the correct answer, that means you need not prepare for your internal assessment. Already you know the concept. Okay. Okay, anyway, fine. Everybody is actively participating. That is something nice. Okay, we'll carry on next. Okay, this is done. 27th one. Customizing advertising and promotion methods to fit their intended audience. Intended. So what could be the answer? Customizing advertising and promotion methods to fit their intended audience. Intended. Targeted. So what is the answer?
Targeted marketing.
Yes, correct. Good. It is targeted marketing. Next. Data entry, transaction processing, database maintenance, document and report generation, and inquiry processing. What are these? Data entry, transaction processing, database maintenance, document and report generation, and inquiry processing. So what are all these?
Transaction processing cycle.
Correct. So it is transaction processing cycle. Next, 29th one. Collecting and periodically processing transaction data. Collecting and periodically processing transaction data. It is
Batch.
batch processing. Yes, correct. Okay. So it is periodically processed. Okay. So it is batch processing. Next, processing transaction data immediately after they are captured. It is real-time processing. Correct. So it is real-time processing. Okay. So this one, real-time processing happens when immediately, okay, as and when the data is captured. The last question, systems that immediately capture and process transaction data and update corporate databases. Systems that immediately capture and process transaction data and update the corporate process.
Online transaction processing systems.
Yes, correct. So it's online transaction processing systems. Okay. Now, 1 minute. I'll just stop sharing the screen. Yeah. So now students, just let me know. See, with respect to 2 question papers, you have answered the assignment with respect to module 1. Okay. Now, do you want important questions module wise? If I have to give important questions module wise, then the number of questions will be around at least 10 to 15 or 15 to 20, because each and every diagram wherever you see in any page of your textbook is nothing but it's a probable question. Okay, so how do you want me to go about? Because I can stick on only to the question paper questions, and again question paper is from, since I was mentioning this particular subject is not a new subject, it is there as a core subject for ISC students right from when I have studied engineering in ISC. Okay, so there are various question papers, but definitely you people fall under 18 scheme CBCS scheme. So question papers most probably you can refer from 15 scheme, 17 scheme also, and 18 scheme also. So I think we will only restrict ourselves to 17 scheme and 18 scheme. Okay, so do you want to refer only the question paper questions, or you want me to list out all the probable important questions module wise? How is it? I want to get to know the feedback.
Yes, ma'am. Module wise,
Yeah, see module
important.
wise, yes, module wise, if I give the questions, then definitely the number of questions will be more. Okay, and writing is also a skill, correct? Because I was just going through the assignments what you have submitted. Few of you have started the answer from the diagram itself. That is completely wrong. Okay, before the diagram you have to at least write 1 or 2 sentences, and then only you should start the diagram, or you should say that the complete illustration is given or is shown in the below diagram, something like that. You cannot start the answer with the diagram. Fine, even if it is a table or something, for the answer before the table you have to write 1 or 2 sentences. It doesn't matter if you if you are repeating the same statements which appears in the question. For example, highlight the differences between batch processing and real-time processing with respect to transaction processing life cycle. If this is the question, you cannot start the answer immediately by drawing the table, making a partition, online processing, batch processing here and real-time processing. No, at least 1 or 2 sentences before the table. What you can say is the important differences or the highlights which differentiate real-time processing and batch processing are illustrated or enumerated in the table below. At least these 2 sentences is required. That is the skill what you need to have in order to write the theory concepts. Okay, so you cannot start the answer directly with the diagram, directly with the table. Okay, there should be some statements, and again those statements, starting statements should not be too very what to say, elaborative as well. Okay, so suppose, okay, you have 2 sentences in the beginning, then the relevant diagram, and then comes you have to explain the diagram components. Okay, again there when you try explaining the components within the diagram, again you have to use the skill. What is that skill? You have to look upon the marks what has been awarded to the question. If the question is for 10 marks, then definitely it is clearly understood that, or it is expected that you explain all the modules, all the components or sub components in the diagram. Okay, so pick up those and write only 1 or 2 statements or 2 to 3 statements for each of the components if components are more in number. For example, you take the example of classification of information system. The classification itself is too much, right? If the same question is asked for 10 marks, you cannot keep writing the paragraphs or stories only for marketing information system or whatever, operation management marketing system. Okay, so you have to plan well in advance, pick up only relevant 2 to 3 statements which highlight each of the classified system, information system. so that equal distribution, equal weightage is given for each of the subcomponent. Okay, drawing the diagram itself will take some time. Then you have to explain each one of it. So you cannot write paragraphs, or at least write 10 points for each one of it. It will consume lot of time. Managing time is again a skill, right? So underline important things, very, very important. It is all tips and tricks to secure very good marks. Okay, students. So in theory subjects, if you follow all these tips and tricks, you can easily score very, very good marks, 80 plus, 90 plus. It's all a myth that you cannot score well in theory. Okay, in fact you can really score well in theory paper as well. Okay, so if I give module wise important questions, then it will be 15 to 20 questions. Okay, then you have to first and foremost, you have to identify which diagram is relevant for each of the question, and for that particular diagram which are the categories where you have to explain, and if you have to really explain, what are the points you need to list out. Okay, so if that way if you prepare, it is like you're literally preparing not for your internal assessment but full and final once for all for your main examination. Okay, so anyway I have got the feedback from one student. How about others? Others also want module wise questions only? You can just ping quickly in the chat box. Everybody wants the module wise question paper only, or how is it? Yes? No? Okay, fine. Then I will be preparing the module wise questions and I will be sharing it to you. Okay, and at the same time you can refer the previous year question papers also. Okay, so drawing the diagram very neatly and legibly, answering the or explaining the components of the diagram either briefly or in detail again depends upon the marks awarded to the question. Okay, you have to be smart enough. Okay, students. So that's it for today. I hope you all are thinking about the activity what I had assigned to you people. The day deadline for submission is Monday, right? So I have given the case study questions to be prepared individually, and you will be answering it orally in the Monday class. And Monday I'll be sharing one link where you have to submit the report. Okay, again handwritten and scanned one with respect to the real world activity. Okay, 2 activities are there, and I had also given you the input that you can pair with another friend of yours with whom you have a good rapport. Okay, students, so that's it for today. Very less number of students have joined, in fact. Fine. Srinidhi is unmuted. Anything you have to say, Srinidhi?
No, ma'am, I am not unmuted now. Just I have unmuted it.
Okay, I don't know. In my window, it's showing. Okay, fine. Fine then. Okay. Have a good day, students. Thank you.